Hey, salut tout le monde et bienvenue dans Lameno's World. Je suis très heureux de vous retrouver aujourd'hui pour ce Let's Play sur The Walking Dead, A New Frontier sur PlayStation 4. Donc, pour ceux qui ne savent pas, c'est la saison 3 des deux premières saisons qui sont sorties sur The Walking Dead. Les jeux faits par Telltale Stories, qui sont des jeux vraiment extraordinaires, même si bon, des fois, il y a des choses qu'on aurait aimé qui se passent autrement, mais bon, en même temps, c'est Walking Dead, donc il faut pas trop s'attacher au personnage, parce que vous savez, quand on s'attache trop, eh ben, il finit par crever, le personnage. Et là, on reprend à la fin de la saison 2. Donc, si vous ne voulez pas être spoilé, je vous suggère de vous rendre sur le timecode ici présent. Et si vous voulez être spoilé ou si vous avez déjà fini le jeu, eh ben, je vous suggère de rester avec moi le temps que je fasse le petit résumé de la fin de la saison 2. Dans les deux premières saisons, on suivait un petit personnage qui s'appelait Clémentine, qui a perdu ses parents lors de l'apocalypse zombie qu'on connaît tous de Walking Dead. Elle a rencontré Lee, qui a finalement succombé à l'aventure et qu'on a perdu dès la première saison, enfin à la fin de la première saison plutôt. Puis Clémentine s'est retrouvée toute seule, livrée à elle-même, même si elle était avec Omid et sa femme qui finalement sont morts, on suppose surtout pour la femme de Omid. Et elle s'est retrouvée avec un autre groupe. Et au fur et à mesure de l'aventure, tous les gens soit s'en vont, soit ils finissent par mourir. Et il ne restait plus que Kenny et Jane dans l'aventure avec elle. Et à la fin de la saison 2, il y a une lutte acharnée entre Kenny et Jane, justement, qui, par rapport à l'enfant que Kenny voulait protéger, et Jane qui voulait montrer justement que Kenny était devenu complètement barjot. Donc, vous avez choisi de sauver l'un ou l'autre, ça c'est vous qui voyez. Mais je crois que pour ma part, j'ai sauvé Kenny et que on est allés tous les trois avec le petit bébé qui est arrivé au cours de l'aventure. On est allés tous les trois devant un nouveau sanctuaire, apparemment une nouvelle communauté. Et juste Clémentine et le petit bébé ont pu rentrer dans cette communauté, mais Kenny, lui, il est dehors. Donc, je ne sais pas trop ce qui va se passer lors de cette aventure, on va la commencer tous ensemble. Le jeu introduit juste un nouveau personnage qui s'appelle Javier. Donc, normalement, c'est lui qu'on va suivre dès les premières minutes du jeu. Mais il est possible également qu'on joue Clementine d'après ce que les développeurs du jeu ont dit. Donc, ce que je vous propose, c'est qu'on commence tout de suite l'aventure. Alors, le jeu est sorti le 20 décembre dernier, mais j'étais en vacances chez mes parents, donc je n'ai pas pu télécharger le jeu ni commencer à y jouer. Donc, je vous propose, comme je vous l'ai dit, de commencer tout de suite. Et on reprend avec l'épisode 1 de la saison 3 de The Walking Dead sur PlayStation 4. Ah, pas sur Javier. Alors là, on ne sait pas encore si ça se passe avant l'apocalypse zombie ou pendant ou juste après.
David! David, hey! Hey, David. I had to leave my car. Traffic's just backed up for miles.
He's dead.
No. No. I tried.
You're a piece of shit. You know that? One time. Just the one goddamn time that you needed to be here.
J'ai essayé d'arriver à temps.
Please, I tried.
Oh, you tried? You fucking tried?
Ouh.
Everyone's here. They've been here for days. And where the fuck were you? We're there, all around him. People who love him all around him. And he's scared. I'm seeing the panic in his eyes and he's searching the room. ¿Dónde está Javier? ¿Dónde está mi hijo? I'm there, right beside him, holding his hand. Like a good son. And he doesn't even see me. He doesn't even see me because he's looking for you. You don't think there's a million places we'd rather be? You don't think we all had to make sacrifices?
Pardon.
I'm sorry. Okay? David, Jesus. Sorry isn't bringing him back. You selfish fuck.
Uncle Javi? Why are you fighting?
Il ressemble un peu à Sam,
I
un
can
peu.
hear you from inside. What's going on?
We were just, talking, Gabriel.
Right. And your uncle and I are just having a little chat. Go inside, mijo. We'll be in a minute.
Go on. It's okay.
Inside.
Bon, vu qu'on n'est pas un bâtard, on va prendre sa main.
I should call someone, pick up the body.
Yeah.
I love you, little brother. You know that, right? With everything going on, I know. You think I was jealous of you?
No, I don't think anything.
Well, I was. For a long time. You've lost more than I'll ever have. But maybe something good can come out of all this. Because we need you here. It's time to grow up. You can't run from this. Not anymore.
I know. You're right. I won't even argue. I'll be around more, honestly. You can count on
On
it.
it, huh? I want to believe that. I do.
Javi,
Kate.
I'm so sorry, Javi. I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
Let's go inside. Your mom needs you. What happened?
La réalisation est pas mal, mais je sais pas, je préférais quand même les dessins d'avant, enfin les personnages d'avant, comment ils étaient designés et tout. Mais sinon, franchement, c'est bien aussi. Hein. C'est vraiment bien.
Mama.
Ouf.
I tried.
Petite claque qui fait bien
I tried.
plaisir.
I'm so sorry.
He's gone, mijo. He's gone.
He's in a better place, Mama.
Telltale present.
No puedo conectarme. You thirsty, baby? You want some juice?
Grandpa's cup was empty.
You don't have to fill this cup up anymore, baby. Grandpa is sleeping.
No, Yaya. He was awake.
Ouh. Le premier zombie. The first walker. Putain, par contre, c'est bien réalisé, je trouve. Hein. Vraiment, vraiment bien. Ah, papy, effectivement debout.
¿Cómo es esto
Ouh.
Papá, cálmate. Soy yo, David. Estás en tu casa, cálmate. Está loco, le atacó a Héctor.
Solamente está confundido.
Ah, meuf, il est pas perdu. Oh! Oh là 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 là, ça commence mal. Oui, normal. Ouais.
We need to go. We need to get her to the hospital.
Mama, get the kids. We need the hospital.
Don't take the highway. It's blocked.
Putain, il lui a arraché la joue, quoi.
I'll bring the van around.
Where's Maury? I don't know. Mariana, ¿dónde estás? Mariana, we have to go. Ya,
Ah, la petite, ça pue pour elle, là, par contre. Ah,
Come
ouf.
on, honey, we have to go.
Ah, commence pas à faire chier, toi.
County General Hospital. I know the way.
Oh putain, il a été mordu. C'est bleu? Pourquoi c'est bleu? Ah, donc ça se passait avant, enfin, sans doute pendant l'apocalypse zombie, puisque le père est devenu un zombie.
Tell me when it reaches the campfire.
Mais c'est combien de temps après? C'est ça que j'aimerais savoir. Est-ce que c'est pendant que Clémentine découvre ses parents? Ou après qu'elle ait rencontré le deuxième groupe? J'aimerais bien savoir c'est quand.
Looks like the herd is speeding up a little. I thought it was drifting southwest, but I'm not sure anymore. Every time I think we should just bed down somewhere and wait for it to pass, I can't shake the thought of us getting caught in the middle of it. It just keeps coming. It's slow, but that almost makes it worse. Makes it feel like we're in control.
It'd definitely be nice to stop. We've been on the move a while now.
I don't know. It feels risky.
Not if we find somewhere secure.
We'll figure it out. You want some?
Yeah. Okay, sure. We are setting an awesome example.
Je rappelle que fumer est très mauvais pour la santé. Hein. Fumer tue.
Oh, when I found out David had kids, I told him, I am not changing who I am around them. I knew he'd try to get me to change. Or at least he'd hope that being around the kids more would change me, you know? I suppose it did.
He was always stubborn like that. Even when we were kids. He saw the world in a certain way. And he'd try and make you see it that way too.
So that's where Gabe gets it from. His mood swings are just... Some days I just want to leave him by the side of the road. I'm choking.
Donc c'est pas ses enfants?
Jesus, obviously.
Look, I didn't sign up for this either. Sometimes life decides for you. That sounded deep, didn't it?
No, it didn't. Look, I love these kids, but I could do without Gabe reminding me I'm not his mother whenever he's pissed.
He's a teenager. Puberty. Hormones.
Bah, ils vont crever les deux mômes. Hein.
Yeah. The second you start getting boners, the whole world starts to get dark.
Christ, I need to get laid.
Comme ça.
I realized that was an awkward transition. Sorry about that.
Pour les coquins, pourquoi pas?
Come on, Kate. You know we can't do that.
Instead, I met with you.
Oups.
So smart.
I think we must have hit a skunk or something back there.
I already know you guys do drugs.
That's a pretty severe way of phrasing it, Mariana. Don't tell Gabe.
He's the one who told me.
Oh my god. You're even smoking in the car now?
All right. Everyone roll the windows down before you all get contact high. You want a moment alone, Mari?
I'm praying I find a candy bar.
All right. What do we actually need?
A candy bar?
Need, Mariana, not want.
Water bottle?
All right. Well, let's start with some gas and move up from there.
Oh, oh, pas mal. Premier fight. Ouf. Allez. Ouf. Ouh. Ouh, ça c'est hardcore quand même. Il a arraché la tête carrément.
Where you going?
Okay, that's cool. Have fun. Jesus. It never ends with him.
I hate when they fight like that. I really hate it. It's like all he wants to do is argue. Doesn't matter what it's about.
Hey, I know that's what families do. They fight, they pick up, and they fight all over again. At least you have your headphones.
Yeah, but the batteries have been dead for a couple of weeks. I mostly wear them to fool you guys.
Well, when you put it that way, I wish I had a pair too.
You can borrow mine if you want.
I might just have to do that.
Be nice to find some dinner.
In a junkyard.
You never know. These past 4 years, people have been hoarding all kinds of shit in all kinds of places.
Donc ça fait 4 ans.
Oh, and Mari, if there's any trouble, you find one of these cars.
Yeah?
Lock yourself in and don't come out.
Ça fait 4 ans depuis le début de l'apocalypse. Hein. Bon. Qu'est-ce qu'il peut y avoir d'intéressant dans le coin? On peut pas passer par là. D'accord. Bon, eh ben on va aller voir ce qui se passe là.
Waste oil. No use to us.
Ok. Et pourquoi on peut pas parler à la petite là? J'ai essayé d'aller par là.
Hey, any luck, kiddo?
I need a pen. Or a pencil. Just something to write with.
A pen? Why are you looking for that?
There's just something I really want, I really need to do. And I need a pen for it. Last night I was thinking about this stupid story my mom used to tell me all the time before bed. I used to hate it. But at least a little bit. I just think that might be kind of important.
You're better off leaving the past where it is. Otherwise, you never stop looking backwards.
Looks a whole lot better than what's in front of us.
Peut-être, mais...
In a minute.
Ça, c'est encore une gamine un peu capricieuse. Franchement, c'est... C'est limite affligeant, quoi. Elle me rappelle un peu Denise dans la série Walking Dead, où elle veut son soda de merde et au final, elle finit par crever. Sans... Putain, mais il y a beaucoup de trucs hein, à explorer quand même. Hein. Je pensais pas que ça aurait été autant.
Once this car made someone very happy. Now it sits here, rotting away.
Oh. Ouf. On continue de siphonner.
Not much, but every bit helps.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça?
That could hold a lot of gas. Could be really handy if we stay for a while.
Ok, il n'y a rien, donc on continue un peu l'aventure. Ben oui, on va voir ce qu'il y a dans cette voiture-là. Putain, mais elle est immense.
I wouldn't have minded having one of these back in the day.
On va la siphonner. Attends, wow. On peut pas siphonner celle-là, non?
Come to Papa. Barely anything. I'll need to find more.
Et si on allait parler pile de pneus, je pense qu'il n'y a pas grand-chose d'intéressant. Et si on parlait au sale môme, là? Avec sa puberté de
What's
merde.
going on in there, buddy?
I'm in a bad mood, okay? I wanted to go away, but you won't. I just wish we weren't always on the road, left being with other people. Just run that car so damn long. The AC hasn't worked in ages, and then it ain't that last damn tape.
We still got each other. It's better than nothing, right?
I don't know. Maybe just leave me alone.
Okay. But if you want to talk later, I'm...
Si on retournait... Il y avait la meuf, là. Elle est où, cette nana? Je sais plus comment elle s'appelle. On va essayer de retourner la voir. Peut-être qu'elle a des informations intéressantes, je sais pas.
You find anything?
I can't stop thinking about that herd. We get caught in it, and that's it. Peace, asshole. Can't charm your way out of that one. We'll be gone in seconds.
Hey, don't think about that. We're careful. We're smart. We'll stay ahead of them.
Luck runs out just as easily as gas. There's gonna be a last one, you know? A last tank of gas. Last piece of food. What if this place is empty? And the next? And the next?
We're not gonna let that happen. Okay?
Okay. I let it have its 5 minutes. I'm good.
Elle est surtout bien défoncée comme il faut, c'est pour ça qu'elle tient un discours pareil. Bon. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a d'autre d'intéressant? Il y avait le camion là, qui semblait intéressant. On va aller siphonner directement, parce que j'ai pas envie d'entendre son commentaire débile sur le camion.
Bingo.
Ok, il y a l'air d'avoir pas mal d'essence dedans, donc c'est pas mal. Donc on va continuer, on va avancer. Ah, il y a une action à faire ici. Ben, s'il n'y a plus rien à explorer, ben on va prendre l'échelle. Hein. Qu'est-ce que tu veux que je te dise?
Looks like there's more to see up here.
Mhm. Eh ben on y va. Oui, on va escalader.
Some. Not enough. Gabe? Hey, Gabe. Let's go take a look over there.
Just take a look over there.
Dave, stay close to Hobby. Got it?
Hey, look. There's one they never took to pieces.
Good catch.
Et ce sera ta seule utilité pendant tout le jeu. Enfin, pendant le temps que tu vas crever. Alors, on va voir d'abord ce qu'il y a dedans. Hein.
Shit, locked. Still might be gas in the tank though.
Bon, bah ok. On va ouvrir.
Shit. It's locked. Alright. Here goes nothing. Fuck yeah. Look at all that fuel. This is gonna take a while.
Bon, bah, si ça va prendre du temps.
Shit.
Tan.
Looks like it came from in there. Gabe, stay close.
Il y en aura un qui va apparaître là.
Might be able to get in through the hatch.
Pas sûr que ça soit une bonne idée d'entrer, mais bon, faut bien avancer. Ah, donc on ne peut pas. Ici, on utilise le petite biche, encore une fois.
Not gonna be able to pry this open. Damn. Looks pretty run down.
Bon. On va ressortir. Alors, où est-ce qu'on peut aller? Est-ce que c'est pas le zombie qu'il avait? Bon, apparemment, s'il y a ça... il doit y avoir un truc. Ah, ça rappelle un peu quand on était avec Clémentine dans la saison 2. Quand on devait aller quelque part sous la maison.
Gabe, come check this out.
Not the cleanest place.
Oh, no muertos at least.
Muertos. Apparemment, c'est le nouveau nom qu'ils ont donné au Walker.
Just be careful.
Just be careful. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'il y a d'intéressant? On va lui parler un petit peu à ce petit con, tiens.
Wow. This place is decked out.
Il y a quelques secondes, il disait que c'était pourri, mais bon, bref.
Are you kidding me?
Lucky for you, they put enough preservatives in this stuff to last for centuries. There's enough food in here to keep us going for a long time.
C'est fou là, elle.
Check it out. This is actual honest to God pudding.
Seriously?
And it's not just food. There's a mattress, there's blankets.
Someone else's mattress, someone else's blankets. We need to just take our gas and get on the road.
C'est douillet quand même. Mais bon.
This place does have a funny feeling about it. And if muertos were somehow surround us.
Great. Now I'm officially creeped out.
Come on, one night. We bunk down, eat a real meal.
It would be nice not to sleep in the van for a change.
Please.
The herd is coming, if it's not here already. We should go and get ahead of it, before it's too late.
The fence is reinforced. We'll be fine. We found this. Why can't we just enjoy it?
Bobby, can we? We could stretch out, sleep well for
Come on, no,
Hmm.
it's not a big deal. We got guns. We can protect ourselves.
Non, il faut y aller, frère.
We're gonna get what we came for and get out of here.
Great. Another shitty cramped night in our shitty cramped van. Hooray.
Come on. Let's at least grab the food.
Bon, on sait jamais, parce que j'imagine s'il y a un mec qui arrive et puis il bute tout le monde, non c'est bon, ça va. On connaît ce genre de situation-là. Hein. En plus, s'il y a des zombies qui arrivent, ouais non, il vaut mieux pas rester, quoi. Sinon il va être bloqué pendant un moment. Est-ce que je les donne à Mariana ou pas? Bon, allez, on est cool.
Oh, guess what? Now, you can really drown us out.
Thanks for that. Backing me up and all. How does it feel to be the bad guy this time? That must be a new sensation for you.
I don't know, oh boy, sleeping in the van again? All I'll say is you're definitely the only one.
C'est trop calme. Ah.
What the fuck you think you're doing with our gas?
Oh crap.
Go on,
Oh,
speak
c'est la
up.
merde.
I'm sorry, man. Look, it's just a can. We needed it really bad.
I fucking knew it. There's more than just you out here. You ain't the loner type. I can tell. I know you got people.
No, I'm alone. Honestly, people just slow me down.
You just said we, you lying fuck. We! Fan out and look for the others. Lonnie, you're with me.
Effectivement, j'ai peut-être pas été très malin pour le choix du truc. Mais bon.
Hey! You assholes in there! I got your boy! You don't want him getting shot, you best come out there careful with your hands up. Go on, you first. You get ambushed by your own people, that shit's gonna make my day. Don't fuck around with me, boy.
Apparemment, c'est la seule solution, donc on va l'ouvrir.
Looks like you and your friends had a real FaceTime. You can't just take what you like. I don't roll over like that.
I ate all those. Yeah, me.
You? By yourself? Nah,
Yeah, what can I say? I fucking love pudding.
you got a real smart mouth. You fucking watch what you say. Look, I get it, all right? You're starving. Who the fuck is it? At the end of your rope, thought you hit pay dirt. Honest mistake. But I got this sneaky fucking feeling that you're full of shit. I ain't gonna let it be like the last time some assholes rolled on us. Keep an eye on this dickhead. I wanna grab some cuffs.
You got it. Just chill, okay?
Look, your buddy's not thinking straight. So let's talk, okay? You and me, we can get this sorted out.
No, it's his call. Look, man, this doesn't have to go. What the fuck was that noise? What you got hiding under there, boy?
Quel est l'imbécile qui a fait du bruit, bordel?
If you know something, you better spill it. You don't want me finding out for myself.
Come on, man, what else? There are muertos down there. There were a bunch of them outside, too.
The dead, huh? Well then, we better take care of that, shouldn't we?
Oh, crap.
Guys, get the fuck in here!
Holy shit!
Putain, ils auraient pu se barrer les autres pendant que... Ou au moins se foutre ailleurs.
You have to pay for what you've done here.
Wait, don't shoot! Hey, my family, where are they? What did you do with my family? Answer me!
Just do us both a favor and pretend you're still asleep. I wouldn't start talking if I were you. You're lucky we do things a certain way. I'm already tempted to put a bullet in your brain for what you did to Lonnie back then. If we start talking, I'm gonna get angry.
You have to go back. My family's back there. Hey,
Sleep myself. We still got a haul ahead of us, and I'm not about to listen to you. What the hell?
stop! Stop!
Ok. Accident. Laurie.
Hey!
Allez, on le laisse partir. On est un gars cool. J'ai dit que pour cette partie, on est un gars cool.
Fuck. Yeah. All right.
That's good. Just keep looking forward.
C'est pas elle.
Look, I'm no threat to you, okay?
Oh, putain.
I
Ah, c'est
surrender.
Clémentine.
Well, that's obvious. Seeing how you didn't shoot that guy.
Putain, la meuf, elle est devenue froide comme hier soir, quoi.
Okay, now don't do anything stupid. Because I'm not as nice as you. I won't hesitate.
Putain de merde, comme elle a grave changé.
Whoa, wait, did you do that? With the tree?
I was trying to stop the truck.
Clémentine! Excellent!
What do you need the truck for?
To drive.
Putain.
Put your hands up. Close your eyes.
Look, I'm the victim here.
We're all victims.
Oh, so it's okay for you to rob me.
This is payment for saving you.
Hey, that's for my niece. She loves chocolate more than anything. I promised it to her. Please.
I'll take you to the junkyard if you let me have your van.
Putain, mais elle est devenue complètement...
I'll drive away.
On a besoin du van,
That
meuf.
van is our home. It's all we got.
That sounds like a no.
How about you just give me directions like a normal person?
How about I shoot you and take the van anyway? This is a better deal for you. Let's go.
Elle est devenue super froide.
This really necessary?
I don't trust you, and I'm not taking any chances. So it's safer for both of us if you're tied up.
Look, I get it. You're being cautious.
Glad we understand each other.
The name's Javier, by the way. People call me Javi.
Clementine.
Badam. Ah!
Well, thanks for not killing me, Clementine.
Don't thank me yet.
Putain, je savais pas qu'on la rencontrait comme ça dès le début du jeu. Franchement, c'est super génial. Bon, et bien les gens, je pense que ce sera tout pour ce premier let's play de The Walking Dead saison 3, ou comme d'autres l'appellent, The Walking Dead A New Frontier. Donc, franchement, pour un début d'aventure, c'est vraiment pas mal. On est vraiment dans la famille, on sait ce qui se passe, on sait combien de temps se sont écoulés depuis le début de l'épidémie, etc. Et en plus de ça, le point final, c'est qu'on arrive enfin à rencontrer Clementine. Donc je me suis dit pendant un petit moment, est-ce que vraiment ça va être que Javier qu'on va jouer, ou alors est-ce qu'on va jouer un moment Clementine? Et franchement, je suis content de la revoir là maintenant, puisque franchement c'est un jeu que j'ai particulièrement apprécié. Et en plus de ça, la petite Clementine qui est devenue grande maintenant, c'est maintenant prendre ses précautions, comme Javier a dit. Et franchement, il me tarde de connaître la suite de l'aventure. Donc je vous dis à très bientôt pour un nouvel épisode de The Walking Dead.